Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be trying out this new lemon pound cake baking kit. It's by Miss Jones Baking Company. It includes your lemon icing pack, and it's gluten-free. It says it's super moist and lemony. It has a homemade taste and made with real lemon. The ingredients that we're going to need are 3/4 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, so this is the lemon icing packet and also our pound cake mix. Okay, we're going to set our oven to 325 degrees. Then you want to get an 8x4 loaf pan. And I've lined mine with parchment paper, or you can use some non-stick baking spray. Now you want to get a large bowl. I'm going to add in my 2 eggs and also my 3/4 cup of milk. And it says to vigorously mix until bubbly. Next, we're going to add in our pound cake mix. This smells really good. It smells just like lemons. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a spatula and just mix it. Okay guys, I thought I would need my hand mixer, but I don't. This mixed up real easy. And it's nice and combined. So now we're going to add in our melted butter. And we're just going to go ahead and mix it until well combined. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you, look how smooth and creamy this is. Usually when you're mixing the batter, it's a little lumpy, but this one is nice and smooth. The texture is very nice on this. Okay guys, so now I have my loaf pan, and now we can pour our batter into it. Okay guys, so now it's ready to go into our 325 degree oven for 55 to 65 minutes. Okay guys, our pound cake is now out the oven. I'm going to go ahead and let it cool down before I transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Okay guys, I have it on a wire rack. Now I'm going to let it cool down all the way. Look how nice that is. Okay guys, the pound cake is all the way cooled off. Now it's time to drizzle on the lemon icing. Okay guys, look at that. It's oozing right down the side of our pound cake. Okay guys, I cut a piece. Now it's time to taste test. Okay guys, this is really good. From 1 to 10, I give it a 9.5. The pound cake is really moist. It has a nice lemon flavor, and also the icing has a nice lemony flavor to it also. I will definitely buy this pound cake again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?